Hello everyone and welcome back to mbedev. In today's tutorial, I'll be covering everything about relational operators, from the less than operator to the not equal to operator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll become conversant with using relational operators in a C program. So grab your computer, your notebook, pencils, and let's get started. Relational operators in C programming are used to compare two values and determine their relationship. They are also commonly referred to as comparison operators. There are 6 basic relational operators in C programming. We have the greater than operator, the greater than or equal to operator, the less than operator, the less than or equal to operator, the equal to operator, and the not equal to operator. In C programming, a relational expression will always give a Boolean result, either true or false. If the operation is true, the output is 1. Otherwise, it is 0. Let us look at this example. So if I declare my variables, and then using my printf, I'm going to perform a relational operation. Now I call my format specifier new line character, then let's say x equal to y, and close it. So if I run this particular program, it is going to be false. So the output is going to be 0. What we are going to get is 0. So let's run it and see. Good. So you see that here the result says the operation is 0. And that is true because x is not equal to y. The value for x is 4 and the value for y is 6. Hence, x is not equal to y. We can do the same for the other operators. So let me quickly copy this and then paste it for the other operators. Good. So let's give this one the not equal to, and then here we can call the less than operator here, less than or equal to, then the greater than operator here, and then greater than or equal to here. So if you run these operations, they are also going to give the Boolean output, that is the true or false. So if x is not equal to y, then this particular one is going to evaluate to 1, which is true. Then if x is less than y, this one too will evaluate to 1. If x is less than or equal to y, it is either going to be a 0 or a 1. So here we are going to get a 1 because s is less than y. So let's run the program and see what we are going to get for the various operations. Good. So for this first one, we already did that, and then it said the operation is 0, and that is true because x is not equal to y. For the second one, the operation is 1. That means it is true, x is not equal to y. For the third, x is less than y, that is also true. The fourth, x is less than or equal to y, that is also true. Then if we say x is greater than y, it returns false, and that is why it is 0 here. And that is true because 4 is not greater than 6. Hence, the final one, x greater than or equal to y, is also going to evaluate to 0 because x is neither greater than nor equal to y. So this is how you can use the relational operators in a C program. You can use them in this format, or you can, instead of writing it the way I did, we can just create another variable here, res, and then come down and say res is equal to n x equal to y, and close it. Then come here and call res. So if I run my program again, I should be getting the same output, and that is it. So you see that even without writing it directly in the printf statement like I did here, I still get the same output. The operation is 0, and that is correct. So I've just called it from here and then made my code less clumsy. And that is a wrap, guys. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.